How to fix your Charles Schwab login error on mobile app. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is force close and reopen your application. So in your login page, if you are seeing this seeing the error, then what you can do is simply swipe up and then simply swipe up all of those and remove it from background running, and then open the application again and then see if it worked or not. So if it's still not working, then what you should do is ensure that app is updated to the latest version. So for that, what you're going to do is simply get to your app store, and on your app store simply search for this Charles Schwab. So after searching for it here, if there are, you can see application, tap on it. If there are any sort of update requirement, there will be update option, tap on it, and then simply wait for a few seconds in order to update your application, and just like that you'll be able to update it. So even after doing that, if it's still not working, then lastly what I recommend you guys do is simply call their customer service. So you can simply get that customer service number online. All you need to do is simply do a simple Google search, and you'll be able to find that number. Simply contact them and tell them what your issue is. I'm pretty sure they will be able to help you out. So yeah, that is it.